Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to recreate the Rivervixen uniform for a costume. First off, I'm going to show you how you can save some money and make your own Rivervixen socks. So the equipment you will need for this is a small paintbrush, scissors, sticky tape, yellow paint, an object to put the socks over, long socks, and finally a cup of water. To start off, place your sock over the object to stretch it out so you can work on it. Next, you're going to use the sticky tape to section off a stripe around the sock, trying to make it as straight as possible. Now you're going to wet your paintbrush and grab some yellow paint and start painting over the stripe that you sectioned off. The sticky tape that you have already laid down will ensure that no yellow paint goes over the line. Now that one stripe is complete, leave it to dry for a little while and peel off the sticky tape. This time you're going to make 2 stripes of sticky tape so you leave a gap in between the yellow stripes. Once again, paint the whole way around, and then once you're finished, peel off the sticky tape. Now you should have 2 completed yellow stripes. I know they may not be as neat as the ones that you can buy in-store or online, but this way you are definitely saving some money, and honestly, you can't even tell when they're on. For the rest of the outfit, you're going to need a shirt. Now I decided to spend a little more money to buy the proper Rivervixen shirt, however of course you can just find a simple yellow and white t-shirt. Veronica Lodge wears these black shorts with white trim. Now I bought mine from Big W, but they can be found on Amazon for around the same price. You also need the white and yellow socks that you just painted, and these go with simple white lace-up shoes. Now that the outfit is complete, it's time to move on to makeup, and this is going to be inspired by Veronica Lodge's makeup in the TV show. The first step is foundation, and I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. Next up, I'm applying concealer to cover up my blemishes, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the colour Sand. To set the face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Classic Ivory. I'm going to apply a base to the eyelids by using the concealer again. Veronica Lodge's makeup is very matte and also very bronzed, so to warm up my face I'm using a contour trio from Shop Miss A. Veronica Lodge's eyeshadow is extremely simple with just a warm tone brown located in the crease, so to create this look I am using the Sports Girl palette Shades of Summer and dipping into the shade Moroccan. You can create this look very simply with just whatever brown matte shade you have at home. Veronica Lodge has a very filled in and defined brows. They are probably her biggest feature. However, personally I don't like this look on me, so I'm just going to apply some brown mascara from Maybelline. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Veronica Lodge often wears a deep red lipstick, so I'm going to use the Sports Girl lipstick, which is called I Like It Spicy. This is the completed Veronica Lodge makeup. All of the products I used are extremely affordable and will be linked in the description below. Get ready for an embarrassing dancing outro. Actually, I had a lot of fun doing this. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below if this video helped, and if you have or if you are wanting to recreate this look. Whoa, whoa, whoa.